don't know where to begin. There are a few collections that I'm actually so excited for this year that I think are actually going to be just above and beyond. So I'm trying to stay calm because one of the packages is here with me right now. Hi, hello, I'm Courtney Quarantine, your host. If you're new here, hi, I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and talk about some makeup. I'm also going to be putting some of the makeup on my face. You can probably tell from the title what is going on, but I am like trying to stay as grounded as possible without freaking out, but I think I'm gonna freak out. If you're returning, hey bestie, hey! Literally, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here on my channel. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you like longer form content or makeup or yapping, or you just kind of like to vibe with me, I would love to have you here. I know sometimes people forget that they just think that because they see my videos a lot that they're either following or subscribed. Double check. I would often double check just in case. If you want to go ahead and like the video or like it at any time, that is up to you. It does really help my page and my just content if you engage with it. I don't think that's like a secret now. It's 2024. Everybody's talking about it. Every creator mentions it probably in every video. So here's my little cute reminder. And also comment, I want to know your favorite universal monster. Please comment that in the comments. So yes, if you didn't look at the title and you just clicked this video because you were just so excited, I have the Melt package with me. I have the Melt freaking package with me. Oh, I'm absolutely losing my cool. I have been watching all of the content on this and all of the sneak peeks for so long now that I'm literally so excited for every single piece that's in here. But this is the Melt X Universal. What is the official name even? I actually can't take myself seriously, I don't think, with this in my hair. Let me just remove that really quick. I kept seeing it in the mirror and I was like, what is that? Oh, so this is the Melt X Universal's collaboration and collection. I'm so thrilled. Also, let me just take a quick minute to thank Melt Cosmetics. Literally, thank you so much. This is a dream come true every time. I know I say this every time, but I don't care. Every time I see a Melt package in my mailbox, whether it's from me or them, Michelle, thank you so much. I am absolutely beside myself. Everything in this collection is absolutely something I feel like I would use down to the core, which I'm so thrilled on. But just like as a whole, to receive this from Melt Cosmetics is just pinch me, dude. Pinch me. I love Melt so much. They are one of my favorite brands of all time. I don't know. I just love them a lot. So let's open this. I'm sure you've seen a lot of content on this, and I quite frankly, how much is enough? It's never enough, actually. Oh, and like the box, the details, like Melt and their details, dude. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I love that so much. So, Melt X Universal Monsters. We pay homage. Is that how you say that? We pay homage? Homage? Pay homage? How the do you say that word? Melt? What is this word? I don't know. That's embarrassing. Anyway, to the iconic Universal Monsters. It's the perfect blend of horror and beauty, a must-have for enthusiasts of vintage horror, blending elegance with a touch of classic monster lore. Check out the full collection at meltcosmetics.com. Creature from the Black Lagoon, The Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein, and Dracula. Dude. Shut up. Shut up, dude. I'm sorry, but Melt really does have the best accessories. Like, Melt has unbeatable accessories that I have used and worn. The crossbodies, dude. I have worn that black crossbody for I don't know how long, literally since it launched, to everywhere, to everything. I love that this is mini. Look at the freaking details. Like, that is so cool. But also, inside, again, details. This is so freaking cute. No! Oh, I love this. I love that it has a little pouch in the front. I'm obsessed with this already. Let me open this. I'm losing it, man. I have always wanted a Melt circle mirror like this. I know I have the Amor y Mariposas collection. That mirror is still in its case because that was the first thing that I ever received in PR from Melt, and I treasure that to a point of that is treasure to me. That is treasured. Anyway, that's incredible. That is such a good mirror too. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm actually going to use this and keep this on top of my desk because I like a good handheld mirror and I need it to be clear and I need it to actually not be warped and weird. If it has cute packaging, but the mirror is warped, literally it's just taking up space. I'm not even going to use that. So having functional accessories that are cool and work, Mwah! Melt. My God. I love that green too. That is fierce. Creature from the Black Lagoon eyeshadow palette. Where do I even start today? I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna keep pulling stuff out of the... Dude. Yep. Yeah, very much yes. Love that there's a mirror in this. I love the size of this, and I also love that the pans are kind of like a little bit larger. I have seen Dana also use that Escape tone as a blush. I will be doing that. Thank you so much. Oh, it's the green gloss. Details. That is literally so cool. It's like clear and green, so it's like, does it mix? I literally simply... The glosses in this collection also absolutely have been blowing me away. The way that they've spoken about them, again, details in the packaging though. Wow. There's a lot in this collection, which I'm thankful for, because then we just get sick melt products. Look at this. Okay, so this is the Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein eyeshadow palette. Oh, that packaging. It's like this is further back and this is up front. Like, okay, work of art. Yeah, actually, yes. A very much yes. Oh, wow. Wow. Where do I freaking start, honestly? Truly? There is just oh God, yes. Dracula red mascara. All the Dracula stuff, dude. Come on. I have no words. Will be putting that on, actually, yes. Drip lip gloss. Dracula drip lip gloss. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I love a vampire, bloody kind of, I hate to use that word because it's like, ew, but like also, kind of balm lip gloss vibe. You know that about me, probably. But I am obsessed with this. I'm very excited to try this. The vibe just seems so right for a million different reasons. Dude, it's like meant to look like little droplets in there too, so it's kind of like red and clear. Come on. Ooh, whoa. Okay, the other Dracula thing that I'm literally so pleased to see, it's a liquid lip. Now this is not just a liquid lip, this is a red liquid lip that honestly gives the red liquid lip vibe that I have been looking for, because sometimes I feel like with red lip products in specific, they go very strawberry cherry, and I want a little more depth, a little more oomph. Now you can add liner to this. I imagine that I will add liner to this. I can already see the lip combos in my head, bro. I can see them. But I love the Melt liquid lip formula. It's very soft, it's very comfy while being long wear. Like I'm happy to see this. You've heard me talk about their liquid lips for years now, so thrilled. Then this powder. I am so curious about this powder. This is the She's Alive Translucent Loose Setting Powder. A Melt loose powder. Yes, I think so. Because I know how Dana feels about powder and not liking how like powder looks, very curious to see this formula and how it like, I feel like it's gonna have a skin-like finish and not so matte and dry, which is kind of the vibe, but I feel like with loose powders, I'm so picky because oftentimes those powders, like my oils come through faster, so we'll see. Very excited. That is literally so cute. Very excited about this. Oh my God, this is just... Mel, can we have this forever though? I love this so very much. I'm very excited. Now this is the thing that I am most excited for. This is the thing that I have been waiting for. This is the thing that I predict I will need to have backups for my backups for my backups, because this is like a gray black gloss. Now, I think it's called Creature from the Black Lagoon Face Gloss. However, Melt has said you can put this on your eyes, your face, and your lips. What I see when I see this is a giant gray lip gloss. This is for me, and you cannot convince me that it's not. This is for me. You cannot convince me that it's not. I am so excited. I actually need to put this on right now. I need to right now. My lips are actually really struggling currently, and they need to heal, but I need to open this and use this right now, because this is actually, you know what? Let me just wait. Let me calm down. My beloved, this giant tube, I predict will be with me forever and always until I use every last speck of this. Melt, thank you so much for making this. All the teasers, all the things that I saw that I was like, What's that glossy eye? Laura, I see you. What is that glossy eye? And everything. But this on the lips, Michelle's lip combos with this. Oh, I got a sticker. Cute. Oh, cute. That's so cute. Oh, that is adorable. I can put that on my water bottle next to my Bailey and my other ones, my other melt stickers. They have them all together. Cute. Aw. I love that. Melt, thank you so much again. Like I really don't even know how to begin to thank you and tell you how grateful I am for this. This is beyond. This is beyond. This is like the coolest drop. I was so excited for this. You always crush holiday collections, and this being like the kind of like Halloween fall kind of vibe. I don't know, man. I'm so excited. I'm so happy right now. This is wow. Wow. I think I'm actually going to use the creature from the Black Lagoon little quad because I'm just so excited. I'm going to use the Vanilla Melted Shadow to prime my eyes. I'm going to start off a little bit with this peachy shade, which is the shade Escape. Oh, I like also on the back that the like colors match the shade. That's really cool. Again, attention to detail. Ooh, yup. Not shocking that I would love melt shadows because I love and use melt shadows constantly. I think I'm gonna dive right into this shade. This is the Absolute Horror. Ooh, I like that. Put that on the inner corner. Oh, I love like charcoal kind of shades so very much. And this one is like a little bit, oh yeah, I don't know. I lost my train of thought. It's a little bit green. Maybe is that where I was going with that? Yep. Oh, I love this shade. Ooh, that's a really cool, what do you even call that shade? It's like kind of like a slate green or something. I don't know. I don't even know. Oh, I love that. Yep. Yeah, I'm going to take the Nudist Melted Shadow again from Melt, just to kind of prep the lower lash. Woo, woo. And I'm going to take Escape, that peachy tone, and just kind of run it along as well. Get it a little smoky. Ooh. I'm going to add, again, that dark shade just right in the corner. What was it called? Horror or something? Absolute Horror. Oh, yes. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Then I'm just gonna blend. I'm gonna try to blend it out and just kind of blow out the shadow just a little bit more because it's looking a little too neat and controlled. Okay, obsessed with how that looks. I think I'm gonna keep it there because I kind of want this like matte eye because I'm gonna go for a glossy lip. But I'm gonna try this mascara because I think it's gonna be so cool, and I feel like it's gonna be a mascara that I actually would wear often. I really love the formula of Supernatural. You've seen me, I just unboxed this. I don't know why I put it back in the thing, but I'm gonna keep this packaging. Okay, ta-da! Anyway, I wear Supernatural pretty much every single day. I like combine it with a lot of mascaras because it gives that oomph. So I'm hoping that this one kind of does the same. This is just called, it's called Damned Red Mascara. That's so cool. This packaging is so cool. All the bats. I love bats. It's freaking bats. And it's not like, this is like red. This doesn't look like cherry. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna put a lot on and we're gonna, okay. I'm gonna not put on liner so I can maybe see more of my lashes. Start. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna put on mascara for quite some time because I like to put a lot on, and that looks freaking cool, honestly. Immediately. I have to say, as I'm putting this on, like I really like this brush. I really love the Supernatural, like I said, but this brush I feel like it's obviously, maybe it's different from the Supernatural. It feels a lot smaller, like bristle wise. I'm really enjoying this. Like as I'm sitting here putting on my mascara, I'm just kind of impressed with the brush. That is looking sick. That is a cool red mascara. Dude, I would wear this mascara daily. Like I know red isn't that crazy. Like I don't think anything makeup wise is that crazy. And I think people need to kind of relax a little bit, but this dude, this is freaking cool. Melt, thank you for making this because wow. This is probably the best red mascara that I've ever used because it's red. It's not pink. It's not like strawberry. This is red freaking mascara. Oh my God. I love this. I love the formula. I love the brush. I will see how it wears, see how it removes. So thrilled. I am actually so amped on that right now. Wow. I'm going to be using these things just like throughout the next coming weeks, for forever, for as long as I'm able to use them, honestly. But I do think I need to, I need to put this on my lips right now. My lips are struggling currently, but I'm gonna put this on and ooh, I might add some lip liner in a bit, but I'm gonna take a little with my finger. Oh my God, it literally looks stunning. Stop. Yeah. 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 Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes. Ooh. Oh, that feels nice. Now my lips are pigmented and they're very red and pink because they are. I was swatching a lot of things, but like that is so cool. That adds such a nice like gray tint to it. I can only imagine what this is gonna look like on top of like everything and anything. The texture is very cushiony. I don't think there's a scent. I don't think there's a scent. Oh my god, I'm gonna use the living daylights out of this. Now, I have not ever done a glossy eye. I literally don't think I've ever done a glossy eye, which is crazy, but also because I have very sensitive eyes and I'm always a little bit nervous with glossy eye products. If you want to see me do a glossy eye, please let me know, because this I think is the product that I would try with it, because I can just kind of like squeeze out a little bit onto my hand or a palette or where have you. Like having this just kind of like jumbo tube of a gloss color that I like, that's pretty much it for me. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this like simple, swampy yet Dracula vibe. I don't know, simple monster vibe, simple monster look. My lips are really like they're struggling right now, just in general. And this gloss feels heavenly. It's not sticky. It does feel more cushiony. If it's a gloss and it's sticky, absolutely not. No, 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 no. I love this. I love this so much. I am so thrilled about that mascara. I want to try that red lip of me. Everything I want to use immediately, but I feel like I kind of want to like do a little more curation with my looks. That absolute horror shade is so unique, and it's just like, I don't know, is there a little bit of teal in it maybe? But that darkness, it just feels like a shade that I do not have in my collection and that I will use so much of. I can see this with like a smoky, like dark lid. It's just, I don't know, with this collection I feel like I can see a lot of the looks that I want to do already in my mind, which I do like. I like that when I can see that with a collection, when I can feel that with a collection, because otherwise it kind of is hard for me to get excited about something. If I see a collection, I'm like, oh, that's cool, but I don't know what I would do. I've been working with makeup and around makeup for so long that like, that's not me being like, oh, I don't like this collection, because it's something, it either inspires me or it doesn't. I can either see a collection, know how I would use it, be really intrigued. There are times where I see something and I'm like, ooh, that's gonna challenge me in a way that I'm excited about and that I want to use this product because maybe it's like innovative, maybe it's a color story I haven't seen yet, so on and so forth. But I feel like what I knew about Melt and what I know about Melt leading into this, I was already excited. The accessories and stuff, grade A plus 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 plus. I knew I was gonna love those. That's this mirror, dude. Yeah, literally it's so clear. I need to take this sticker off really quickly, because if I don't take the sticker off again, I just won't. Damn, I look good. But I also feel like there are like kind of core products in this as well, like the powder, the red mascara, the red liquid lip. Like those are items to me that I kind of feel like the gloss, obviously this gloss, but like it's like a lot of things that I find to be core type of products in one collection that I hope to be core products, I guess I should say, because I haven't used everything yet. Anyway, this was just kind of like a first look unboxing with the Melt X Universal Monsters collection. I am so thrilled for this. I'm so thrilled to use and have all of this. I think I've said most of my thoughts on this. If I forget anything, obviously we can chat in the comments, so on and so forth. I would love to know what you're most excited for. I would love to know your favorite Universal monster. Out of these 4 individuals, I think my favorite is Dracula. Yeah, I don't think we're surprised by that. Hot, hot. Melt, thank you so much again. Also, congratulations, because this is so good. This is phenomenal. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Simple monster glam. I look good. This is kind of a vibe. This is kind of a vibe. Yeah. Yeah.